Hindi na marangalo. Kamuti lang.
First day gala. First day gala, no? First day hatid sa school of that little boy. And my apo. Apo, ne?
Yeah.
Poging apo, my grandson. Ganda ng weather dito sa sunny and cold San Diego. Ayan o, Pogi. Say hi. Say hi. Hello. Hello, Ate Kus. He's in Hawaiian attire today. Look at the weather. Look at the weather. Oh,
remember the grapes?
Yeah, ay wala na. Baka bago na yung nakatira doon.
Yeah. Sikip dito ngayon.
And we're going to school. Today is Monday, May 20, 2024. Ano bang mga usong ano ngayon? Fruits dito?
Cherries.
Cherries?
Yes.
Ah, wow.
Oh, remember last time?
Yeah, last time bumili tayo ng cherries.
Hindi ka nakapag-cherry picking, di ba?
No.
Kontakan mo na si attorney.
Sinong attorney?
Attorney Ron eh.
Ah, wala yung cherry picking naman. What, sinabi kayo mo tao kayo na yun?
Wapin na yan.
Tsaka na, pa.
Remember, tita?
Ayan, malapit lang ang school dito. Oh. It's only like 5 minutes man eh.
2 minutes.
2 minutes lang, no?
Doon muna tayo.
Ganda ng weather. Yan ang maganda dito sa San Diego. It doesn't snow. The weather is really good.
Yan na, no? O, yan na.
Wow!
Hold apples eh.
And this is where we're going. Hatid lang si grandson sa school. Ta-da! Wow! Morning!
Are those your friends?
Lahat naka floral. Everyone.
Bukas.
Oh.
Bukas. Tingnan lang bukas. Meron Disney. Meron silang
Ah.
cowboy.
So everyday iba-iba yung ano nila.
Ngayong week lang po.
Ngayong week lang. This is cafeteria. Ah, look, he's so excited. No, Atticus. Ah, ano to? Dito sila?
Hindi. Sasabihin niya,
mac and cheese again. You wanna play with that? That's a drinking fountain. Oh, okay, that's enough. It's enough, Atticus.